receive into our soul, Lord. In Jesus' name. Beloved, I greet you all in the name of our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. Still under the umbrella prayer school of the prophet. Today in our daily highlight, dreams or visions with their interpretation, we are looking at, if you see in a dream, in a clear revelation, you saw that you are in an air-conditioned room or car or office, and the air condition was so cool. It was bringing so much comfort to you. What does it really mean? It means great comfort. It means comfort is coming your way. It means that God is going to comfort you. It means ease is coming. It means effortless breakthrough and breakthrough are coming. So be it concerning you this year. In Jesus' name. All things are possible.